Hi guys, this is a dishwasher. I would like to show today how to effectively pack the dishwasher in a way that it will work properly, and to show you exactly what to do. Now, this is a 12 place setting dishwasher. So with 12 place setting actually just means that 12, like when you go to a hotel or in the house, you sit and there's 4 people on the table, there's 4 places. So one place maybe would consist of 1 cup, 1 saucer, 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon, one, one of each. So 12 of them is probably the size of this dishwasher. Now if you start, look at this, yes, a terrible mess. This thing will never wash properly because the water is coming through these jets, and the water should come right through without any hindrances. So by the way it's packed, this thing will never clean. So you have to pack the dishwasher properly. So what I do, I'm going to just pack things out properly to save a little bit of time. So what I do, I'm going to put the smaller items in here, and I'm sure the way this was packed was so full, but when I'm going to be finished here, there will be more space for something else, You just put the small ones here, smaller items, so that you can close it. Okay. Now I can just put the others. Carry on. I can just carry on. The taller ones here, maybe. Okay, you can see already there's a lot of space now. There's no specific order, it's just that as long as you make sure that when the water comes through those jets, it should be, you see, it's a bit, you make sure that there's space in between every item. This goes in there. It will go through there. Give some more space. Good. This looks much better. Okay. I don't have space for this one, but if you can just put it like that, and at least now, before I forget, you have to, if I must just show you, here, this is a place where the detergent comes. This is a place for the rinse aid. The rinse aid comes in here. So I'm just going to top it up a bit so that you could just throw a little bit there until okay, that's there. Now the detergent I use this you can use any brand of method to really, I'm not as long as it's low foam detergent for dishwasher detergent. Okay, the other thing is, if you take this tray out, they have a back here. I don't know if you can see. This is the place where you put in the salt content, the salt. Salt goes in there. So I have salt in there. That's why there's no indicators showing me of insufficient things that needs to be added here. But that's where the salt are. The salt there is the purpose for the salt. You can see the rinse aid indicator is sufficient. The salt is okay, and the water, there is water coming through the dishwasher, so there's no error messages at all. So let's wait until it's done and we take it further. Normally water is hard, and when you put salt in there, the content of the salt is responsible to make the water soft. That is what salt is for. Okay, now let's carry on at the bottom thing. Okay, you can, it's always good to put the spools in one side, the smaller spools in the one in the same thing, but it's not really necessary. But it's just easier when you unpack the dishwasher, then you can just take it out and put it straight away without any waste of time. Now, since this is now so out of it, just make sure that there's space for everything, enough space for the water to come from the jets. When the water spray upwards, should not be hindered, and make sure that the units are exposed to the spray water. Make sure that you clean, like this is not right, eh? Just clear it off, so it will definitely block the jets, the spray jets, that tiny little holes there that's supposed to okay. I think now that everything is, I put it here on the side to make sure in order. So when you close the door, there must be no hindrances at all. You should spray without any, must not touch anything. I think now, since this is now completed, we are now ready to switch it on. Okay, as you can see here, you can turn it. This is the cycle. It depends on what cycle you're going to use. You can use a 15-minute cycle. 15-minute. The cycle is 29. Okay, let's start here. This is a 15-minute cycle. It just runs. It just rinses and hold until before it is full, maybe you put 4 things in here and then you put it on rinse nose where you can just rinse and then rinse and then you add again some more stuff and rinse until it's now full. Now you can use the dishwasher now to clean. Now I just use this. I'm just selecting now the setting, guys, and this is now ready to wash. And we're gonna see now when it's done. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.